Hello everyone, this is lesson number 33, HSK free, chapter 11. And let's continue. First, repeat what we learned before. 词典, 字典, dictionary, 筷子, 筷子, chopsticks, 空调, 空调, air conditioner, 瓶子, 瓶子, bottle or flask, 灯, 灯, lamp or lantern, 灯, 灯, lantern, 地铁 underground or subway, 图书馆 library, 借 to borrow, to lend, 还 to return, to give back. For example, money. 会议 meeting, conference. 结束 to end, to finish. 忘记 to forget, 忘记. And a new one for today. First word is 关 to close. 关, for example. I turn off, or it could be to close or turn off something. For example, I turn off the air conditioner. 我关了空调。我关了 I turn off 空调。空调 it's air conditioner. So 我关了空调。I turn off air conditioner. 关了。Next one. He forgot to turn off the light. 他忘记关灯。他忘记 he forgot 忘记 to forget something. 关 to turn off. 灯 the light. So 他忘记关灯。Next one. Please close the subway door. As you can see, here is not to turn off, here is to close something. For example, 门 it's a door, 门。请关上地铁门。Please close the subway door. 请 please. Next one. Please close the subway door. 请 please. 关上 to close something. 地铁 subway 地铁门 door subway door 地铁门 so 请关上地铁门 as you can see 关 always or often used with 上关上 to close something 请关上地铁门 Next one, it's 双 two or pair. It's a measure word for something. Let's see. As you can see, here you can see two identical parts. 双 I bought a pair of chopsticks. 我买了一双筷子。我买了 I bought 一双 a pair of 筷子 chopsticks. So 我买了一双筷子。If you know, chopsticks always in pairs, so pairs of chopsticks. 我买了一双筷子。He has two pairs of shoes. 他有两双鞋。鞋 it's shoes. 鞋 and of course we speak pair of shoes. Don't speak just shoes, pair of shoes. So 他有 he has 两 it's two 双 pairs 鞋 of shoes. So 他有两双鞋。Next one. I borrowed a pair of gloves. 我借了一双手套。As you know, gloves always come with the pairs. So 一双手 it's a hair or it's a hand. 套 It's like like piece of clothing, 手套. Oh, okay, just remember 手套. 我借了，借 it's to borrow something, so 我借了 I borrowed 一双手套 pair of gloves. 我借了一双手套. Next word is 皮球 球 it's a some alcohol drink, and P it's just for pronunciation because it looks like beer. So 啤酒. I drank a bottle of beer. 我喝了一瓶子啤酒. But here's 一瓶啤酒. 我喝了 I drank. 我喝了 I drank 一瓶 one bottle of 啤酒 beer. So 一瓶啤酒 one bottle of beer. We don't say 瓶子 because we just need to say 瓶. It's just a bit error. Look at the characters. 我喝了一瓶啤酒. Next one. The beer is very cool. 啤酒很凉. So it's very cool. Not cool, it's like cool, it's very cold, you can say. But not too cold. 啤酒很凉. Beer is very cool. 啤酒很凉. Next one. He bought 2 bottles of beer. 他买了2瓶啤酒. As you can see again, we don't need to say 瓶子, we need to say 瓶 because it's a measure word, not standalone verb. 他买了 he bought 2 瓶 bottle of 啤酒 beer. So 他买了2瓶啤酒. Next one is 口 here is a measure word. It's really has a lot of different measure words, so it's very has a lot of variety of usage. But here is just mouthful. Let's see. I took a mouthful of beer. 我喝了一口啤酒. This mouthful, just one sip of something, one small drink or something. So one bite of something. If we talk about food, for example, one bite of sandwich. 我喝了一口啤酒. I drank, or I took. In English we can say like this, but Chinese we need to say 我喝了 I drank 一口啤酒. One piece of beer, very small piece of beer, like a mouthful. 啤酒. Let's say another word. He ate a mouthful of rice. 他吃了一口饭. 他吃了 he ate 一口饭. It's 米饭 or just 饭 rice. Also could be not rice, just any food. 一口饭. One bite of something. Mouthful of rice. Next one. A mouthful of water feels very comfortable. 一口水很舒服. 一口水 one mouth of water. 一口水很舒服. Very comfortable. 很舒服 comfortable. Next word is 笔记本.笔记本. B, it's a note. it's pencil, pen. 记 it's to remember. Ben it's like book, something like that. But together it's laptop or notebook. But but not notebook. Notebook is not laptop. 笔记本 My laptop is very new. 我的笔记本很新。我的笔记本 laptop 很新 very new. 我的笔记本很新 very new. Very be careful with tones. 笔记本。I use my laptop to send emails. 我用笔记本发电子邮件。As you can see, here is 电子邮件, but it's like electronic emails. But we also can say like here, 邮件 emails. 邮件。我用笔记本发 here's to send. 发邮件 emails. Next one. The laptop is at the meeting. 笔记本在会议上。笔记本 laptop 在 is at 会议 meeting 上 it's like works together with 在 to create is at something. So 笔记本在会议上 at the meeting. Next word is 电子邮件. We know 电 it's electronical. 电子 it's like digital or electronic. 邮件 it's emails or mails, just mails. Let's see. I sent an email. 我发了一封电子邮件。我发了 I sent, as you can see, past simple. So 我发了一封 here's 封 it's a measure word for emails. 一封one, I think it's a piece of 电子邮件 electronic emails, electronic mail or just email. 电子邮件。我发了一封电子邮件。Next one, he forgot to reply to the email. 他忘记回电子邮件。他忘记 he forgot, as you can see it's implied that it's past simple. 他忘记 forget 回 here's to reply. 发 it's to send 回 to reply. 回 we know 回 it's to come back to something, but here's to reply. 电子 electronic 邮件 mail or just email. 他忘记回电子邮件. As you can see in English we say to the email, but here's just 电子邮件 just 回 just to reply. Next word, email is very convenient. 电子邮件很方便。电子 email, electronic email, so 电子邮件很 very 方便 convenient. 电子邮件很方便 convenient. 方便 And last word for today. 习惯 habit or to be accustomed to. So to get used to something. 习惯 So it could be a measure, and it could be a noun, could be verb. Let's see. I am accustomed to using chopsticks. 我习惯用筷子。我习惯 I'm accustomed to something, so I get used to something. 习惯用to use 筷子 chopsticks. So 我习惯用筷子。I accustomed to using chopsticks 筷子。Next one. He used to taking the subway. He used to do something. 他习惯坐地铁。他习惯 he used to 坐 to sit, but here is to take some transport. 坐地铁 it's metro, subway. So he used to taking the subway. 他习惯坐地铁他习惯坐地铁。And last one for today. This is my habit. 这是我的习惯。this is 我的 my 习惯 habit. As you can see, here is just noun, not verb as before. 这是我的习惯。This is my habit. And let's repeat what we know today. First one,关 to close or to turn off something. 关双 to a pair of something. For example, pair of chopsticks. 皮球 beer. 口 a mouthful. So also measure word. 口笔记本 laptop. 笔记本电子邮件 email. And last one, 习惯 habit or to be accustomed to something or to get used to something. So, and we have one new idiom for today. Before we learn 各种各样 all kinds of various. Last time we learned 非此其彼 is this or that, one or other. 非此其彼. Today we learn new one. 无忧无虑 无without something, 没有 something, 忧 worry about something, 虑 concern, thinking about something. So carefree or without worries. The child plays carefree. 孩子无忧无虑的玩. So here they represent this one and create from this adverb. So 孩子无忧无虑的玩。无忧无虑 carefree without worries. 无忧无虑. So that's all, and see you in the next one.